Technology has changed our world in many ways. Some people really love new devices. We call these people gadget freaks. A gadget freak is someone who always wants the newest technology. Gadget freaks love to buy new devices. They might queue outside shops for hours. They want to be the first to own new phones, tablets, or gaming consoles. They feel excited when they unbox their new purchases. These people know a lot about technology. They read blogs and watch videos about new gadgets. They often know about products before they are released. They understand the differences between models and brands. Many gadget freaks spend a lot of money on their hobby. They might save up for months to buy something new. Sometimes they sell their old devices to help pay for new ones. Their homes are often full of chargers, cables, and boxes. Gadget freaks usually upgrade their phones more often than other people. While many people keep a phone for 2 or 3 years, a gadget freak might change phones every 6 months. They always want the latest model with the newest features. Some gadget freaks collect devices. They might have many different headphones or smartwatches. They enjoy comparing these items and finding small differences between them. Their collection can become quite large over time. Friends and family often ask gadget freaks for advice. When someone wants to buy a new laptop or camera, they might talk to their gadget-loving friend first. Gadget freaks are happy to share their knowledge and help others choose the right device. Social media is important for many gadget freaks. They like to share photos of their new purchases online. They enjoy talking to other technology fans. They might make videos or write reviews about the things they buy. Not all gadget freaks are the same. Some love all kinds of technology. Others focus on specific items like cameras or gaming equipment. Some care most about how things work, while others care more about how they look. Gadget freaks often learn new skills because of their hobby. They might learn how to fix broken devices. Some learn about computer programming. Others become good at taking photos or making videos to show off their gadgets. Being a gadget freak can be expensive. New technology often costs a lot of money. Some people spend too much and get into debt. It's important for gadget lovers to make a budget and stick to it. Environmental concerns are becoming more important to some gadget freaks. Making and throwing away electronic devices can harm our planet. Some technology fans now try to keep their devices longer or buy second-hand items to reduce waste. Shops and companies know that gadget freaks are good customers. They create special events and offers for these people. They might give early access to new products or special discounts to loyal customers. The internet has made it easier to be a gadget freak. People can read about new technology from anywhere in the world. They can order devices online and have them delivered to their homes. They can join online communities of people who share their interests. Sometimes being too interested in gadgets can cause problems. People might spend too much time using their devices and not enough time with friends and family. They might become upset if they can't afford something they want. Balance is important. Let's look at a real-life example. Tom Jones is a 28-year-old teacher from Manchester. He has been a gadget freak since he was a teenager. His flat is full of technology, from smart speakers to drones. Tom spends most of his free time researching new devices. He follows technology news websites and watches unboxing videos on YouTube. He has a spreadsheet where he keeps track of the specifications of different products. He likes to compare features and prices. Last year, Tom camped outside a shop for 12 hours to be the first to buy a new gaming console. He was very excited when the shop opened, even though he was tired and cold. He took the day off work so he could go home and set up his new device right away. Tom's friends always ask him which phone or laptop they should buy. He enjoys helping them make good choices. Sometimes he lets his friends try his gadgets before they buy their own. His students think he is the coolest teacher because he knows so much about technology. Tom tries to be responsible with his hobby. He sells his old devices to help pay for new ones. He has started to think more about the environment, so he now keeps his phone for at least a year before upgrading. He has a separate savings account for his gadget purchases, and he never borrows money to buy technology. Being a gadget freak can be fun and interesting. It can help people learn about technology and make friends with similar interests. As long as they are careful with money and time, gadget freaks can enjoy their hobby without problems.